So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Flight by Spider System. Kasama ko ang aking auntie. So guys, apat na gagambang kakalabanin natin, team. Nandito na yung dalawa, dito yung dalawa. So, isang brown. Yan guys, yung brown. Yan guys. Wait, ilabas ko guys para makita nyo.
Ew. Ew.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
4, 6, 8, 10. Ay, tumalon. Matakbo. Yan. Ano. Yan yung guys. Yan. Kitang-kita naman, di ba? So, pula pusod na brown versus Talacruz na black. Ay. Yamatan, nakulit to. Ready na kasi ito makipaglaban. So, kunin lang natin yung black. Yan. Yung black. Yan yung black. Malabas na. Yung black na pula pusod. Yan. Yan yung black na pula pusod. Okay. Yan. Pakita natin oh, yan. Kita nyo guys. Yan. Black na pula pusod. So, huwag na natin napatagalin. Palabanin na natin. So, kunin ko lang yung brown. Wake up. Uy. Yan na. Let's start off battle. Pinoknat. Ay, joke lang. Yun o. Uy. So, yan. Dito yung black, dito yung brown, guys. So, uy. Ayos nga kayo. Yan. Ay, tumakbo yung black. Ay, nahulog yung brown. Tapang dapat to eh. Ayaw nila magdakmalan. Ayun na. Uy, nadakmalan pa sila kaso talagang nahulog.
Let there be light.
Don't call me Gaga.
Bruh. Tinatry nila magdakmalan kasi tumikimpi tong brown natin. Oh. Matapang tong brown natin. Mas matapang pa naman yung kasama nitong black. Yamatan. Yan no, ay talagang tumitimpi lang yung brown. Bro just wants to sleep but you can't. I think my stick is so long. No! Ayaw makipaglaban ng brown. Bali. Yan. Uy! Grabe. Nakakagat yung block sa stick. Inis na inis. Sabi ng black, hindi ko makuha yung brown. Talagang tumitimpi lang yung brown. Bruh. Yung brown tumitimpi lang. Tapos yung black sumusugod. Come here. Ayan, nandakmalan sila kanina. Sayang, di nyo lang nakita. Nakakagat pa din yung black sa stick. Itong black natin Here go. Uy, shish! Sayang guys, di nyo yun nakita. Hinabol ng black yung brown sa lupa. Lupa nga, sa desk. Doon sila nagpadakmalan. Ay naku, ang tapang nitong black. Dakmalan. Nagtitimpi lang yung brown guys. Samantala yung black na inis. Diba kanina guys na pahulog-hulog yung brown? Ngayon lumalabog na. Kaya niya na makipagdakmalan. Yan na. Sheesh! Nagdakmalan. Ba't kasi sumasapot sila pababa? Lakas naman ng kagat nito. Pilayan ka agad yung brown. Kaya ang gusto ko manggagamba guys yung color black. Yung paborito ko na color. Black na mga palang. Kunwari yung black na salmon ko. Yung lakas. Gusto ko din naman yung red. Uy, ay nagdakmalan si Golden. Dibdib to dibdib guys. Uy! Di sila walang aayaw Yan walang aayaw di na hindi ayaw na yung pangil ng black, ayaw na umalis. Ay nako, dibdiban sila. Ay nako, napuwitan. Yan, grabe yung laban pababa sila ng pababa. Ay nako, natalikodan yung brown. Namatay yung brown. Yan sinasaputan na guys. Yan guys. Saputan na. Grabe yung dakmalan nila. Wow. So yan yung nanalo. So lagay lang natin dito sa white na to para makita nyo sa end. Dito sa folder na to. Yan. Para kapag sa end makikita nyo guys. Hindi, wait lang. Ginato talaga manggamba. Dadalawang isip. Yan guys, yung sinaputan niya. Yung binabalikan niya. So guys, instead na dito na lang para di makatakas. Puspuro na lang. Tas sa end, makita nyo kung sino manalo. Makita ko sa'yo. So next fight, let's go. Huwag na natin patagalan. Labas na natin yung pulahan natin. Tapos yung avatar na brown. Grabe yung laban.
Show it in the camera.
Later. Yun o. Kanina pa nila
Cover it
nakikita.
with your hand so they can see.
Ayan o. Yan.
Boing.
So guys, next fight. Grabing dakma lang nila. So next fight guys. So pause ko muna. Next fight. So guys, next na laban. Ito o, pulahan. Kitang-kita naman, di ba? Ayan, pulahan yan guys. Pulahan versus brown na avatar. Ano? Pulahan versus brown na avatar. Okay. Kunin ko lang yung brown na avatar guys. Ito yung brown na avatar. Ganda ng ulo, white. Tapos yung body niya, brown. Yung dalawang to, guys, good size lang. Ayun na, lumabas. So guys, ayan na. Brown na avatar. Bruh. Yun na. Brown na avatar. So guys, since nakita nyo naman na yung dalawa, tara, paglabanin na natin. Uy, yung avatar. Yung avatar.
Bounce when she walk, yeah. Bounce when she walk, yeah. Bounce when she walk.
Wait guys, wait lang guys.
Hi guys, we found it. It was playing Batar. Oh no. Oh my gosh.
So guys, start na namin yung laban. Wag dito baka mahulog sa gagamba. Bruh. Ipakita mo.
What am I supposed to do? Oh.
Let me. Excuse. Get it. I'm trying. Excuse. Yan guys. Poknat yung pulahan. Pinoknat. Ay. Uy. Galing yung waban na to. Waban. Uy! Yung sapot niya! What the?
Bounce when she walk, yeah. Bounce when she walk.
It's going on! What are you doing?
Keep going. Found it.
Okay, put it in the stick. Get him! Where's he at? Oh no, we went on the floor!
I'm stuck.
Gagamba talaga guys, no? Ito kasi Sonic tong avatar natin.
I tripped on the chair.
Bro. Avatar. Yun. Papakiramdaman guys. Uy! What?
Bro.
Grabe yung ng takmalan na yun Close the window is too lighty. Oh hell nah! Don't go to the other spider. Akala ko dadayaan mo boy. Yan pumupunta sa stick. Uy, wag dyan! Pusang gala ka! Gusto mo makain yung isang gagamba sa'yo? Liga dito.
It's going in your face.
Sorry guys. Ow! Hell no! Ano yung red na to?
It hates you.
Bro doesn't hate me. I hate it, bro. Ouch! Kinagat ako. Sakit kayo ng kagat ng mga pulahan. Tapos natatalo lang siya sa avatar.
Batar. Oh, the white woman.
Yan. Yan guys, balik tayo sa laban. Bruh. Abnormal.
Tingnan mo.
Bruh. Ay, nako.
What I do?
Puk, puk.
Oh no. It's running away. Here we go again.
Ay, nako. Ba't kasi di lang dakmalin ng avatar?
Batar. The stone. So on you have one black strand of hair. One black strand.
The Rock. Ay,
Bruh. He said no.
kukunin ko sana yung brown. Yung pulahan. Bruh. Palaging nahulog yung pulahan, no?
No, they don't wanna fight.
Hindi. Don't make it too obvious.
They don't wanna fight.
Ah!
They say, oh, miss you. Bruh.
Is this? Hintay.
Guys, we might have a time lapse again until they slap each other.
Bruh. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Akira. Akira. Oh no, it's time for the sound effects.
Bruh.
Akira, I'm coming.
Leave me alone.
Oh, ala, ba't sa akin pumupunta?
He said, I'm Batman. Oh, wait, that's Spider-Man.
Oh, Spider-Man dahil red. Hindi siya black.
To the light, to the night, to the sea. What? Okay, let's do this.
No, not that. They won't see it. Okay, goods. Gimme. Not in there.
I can't see.
Akira.
Finally.
Tuk. Tinok. That. Halika dito.
Go, finally.
Naglalabad lang sila kapag nasa edge. Tapos, adug. Dug.
Bro,
3-9 niya sinaputan, guys.
you suck.
Ba't ayaw niya pumunta sa kamay ko?
He said no.
Basa ba kamay ko?
No. He said, please, have mercy, monkey.
Kikigatan na ako.
Ding, 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 ding. Brain. Here we go again.
Is Ryan not home yet?
Nah, bet they didn't come back.
Yahoo! Imagine pala nakaposto.
To the light, to the
Tapos
night,
pinaghirapan
to the
natin.
sea, it calls me.
Around the world, around the world.
The next yung ano yan.
Bruh.
You suck.
No, he sucks.
He said,
Tangina.
If you want to go, then you go to hill and go down. Why you getting right? Yes, why? Are you crazy?
Ayun! Nagdakmalan! Adug! Bro! Tay sila guys. Tay.
hi, night.
So guys, ito yung ano,
The next boy, no?
ito yung talo.
Hold on, guys.
Wait lang.
Hold on, guys.
Ito yung round na. So, yan yung natalo guys. Isang brown at isang red. Papakainin natin dito. Tapos yung nanalo yung nandito guys. Ito yung panalo na black.
We can't see.
Dito. Ito yung black guys. Ito.
Wait, there we go.
Yan. Panalo. Tapos ito yung black na avatar. Ay, black na avatar. Brown na avatar. Yun.
We can't see.
Wait.
Put it in the light.
So guys, yung laban na to, tay-tay. So, thank you for watching. Kapag kapag na-bored kayo, manood lang kayo kay Kadagit. Tapos, pa-shout out Kadagit. At supporters shout out kay Book Nerd, Duck Lover, and Zilong Beat. So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, please.